today we have Sergio Valdez as a special guest. And if you don't know him yet, he's an amazing filmmaker and AI artist. So I'll leave his links below in the description. Oh, and I forgot to say that's Julio. So
Yeah.
he'll probably be joining us for the rest of the video.
Last year was crazy for AI video as well. I mean, like almost all platforms have like a new release. It's very difficult to be update to with all of them, but like we try. Um, like there's new platforms that wasn't available a few months ago. Like there's Hailuo that it has a very good text to video model, and they just released it last month. And they also there's also Kling.
He is king, they say.
Yeah, Kling is king because it gives you very, very good image outputs. And I think it's the best so far. There's new releases like Sora. We have done some tests with it, but like very on the surface. I haven't like personally done like a lot of tests, but I'm not impressed, like to be honest.
I think you can get good results, but you really have to dig in, and those credits are expensive, I must say. So if you're more in a budget, we suggest that you either go for Hailuo or Kling, which are both excellent, and they get results much faster than Sora. So a lot of a generative video, it depends on the iterations you make, on the changes you ask the platform to do. So that translates into credits, which translate into money and time. But also another really good one is Yuma. Dream Machine just released like 1 or 2 months ago their new platform, which is amazing because it not only allows you to do more like intuitive requests, but the way it's organized, the way it allows you to experiment and explore just one prompt into many more options. It's really nice. And we're proud to say we are Luma creative partners. So we will be doing more reviews and experimentation so you don't have to spend your credits.
There was this thing about AI in software that we already use. Can you tell me about Capture One?
Oh yeah, so Capture One, it's a photography editing software. It's like the top standard for the industry. It's really, really good, and they are so like conscious about the advancements of AI in almost all of the creative industry. So they have been adding new updates for AI masking, which lets you mask from the iris to the eyelids to the skin from the face, the skin from the hands, the body skin. It's really specific and it's really good, and it has really changed my workflow. I have been using Capture One for about 4 years, and I never looked back into Lightroom. So I really encourage you to check them out. They're not sponsoring me in any way, but I really like the software and how they integrate the newest updates, like of everything. You want to show them?
No, Julio's just hanging around here. Like,
Please plug.
What's that? Nice butt.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
We hope you like this video, and if you stick out all the way until here, thank you so much. And if you like this video, please subscribe to both of our channels, give us a like, or leave us any comment with your thoughts or doubts. And thank you so much. Have a great day.